Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? If you landed on this video, it's probably because you're in need of some advice. Being able to listen to and process feedback from those people that are around you is essential for identifying opportunities and understanding industry trends. Here's my best advice for responding to feedback and making the most out of difficult conversations. Today's hot topic is how to become a better listener when you're headstrong. If you're headstrong, I'm sure somebody's probably told you to be open-minded before. Being open-minded means be willing to consider other people's perspectives and be willing to learn from others. Headstrong people often are really strongly opinionated and they're quick to dismiss new ideas and arguments. Little do they know that listening to others can actually help them avoid making mistakes, and that's a good thing. Headstrong people are very confident in their own ideas. Does that sound familiar? But to be a great listener, you need to be able to clarify questions and understand the perspective of others. So one way to do this is to break down complex ideas into smaller, more manageable pieces. Ask questions to learn more about the person's opinion or their reasoning behind it, and take some time to go through their answers. That way you can ensure that you truly understand their point of view rather than just nodding along and pretending to understand. Respect is not just about being courteous in conversations, but it also extends to listening and understanding the party's point of view. When people say, have some respect, respect means listening without interrupting and without judging. It also means understanding the other person's feelings and acknowledging that they have a right to an opinion. Respectful listening involves refraining from making assumptions and not jumping to conclusions. If you want to improve your listening skills, don't try to remember everything you've heard. Just take notes. Capture your thoughts and questions in the moment so you can process all the information more effectively and have something to refer back to at a later time. Making eye contact shows respect for the other person and it conveys a sense of trustworthiness. When you make eye contact with someone, you're saying that you're listening and that you're interested in what they have to say and that you value their opinion. When you don't make eye contact, it can be seen as rude, dismissive, or even that you might just be ashamed of something. So look them in the eyes when you're talking and show that you're listening. So what are your thoughts? With all of these tips, will you be able to improve your listening skills? Let me know if you're currently dealing with this situation or you've experienced something like this before in the past. Type it in the comments below. And by the way, I'm giving away my best-selling leadership book on PDF for free. If you want it, just go to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. And if you know somebody who needs to see this today, tag a friend, hit like, and please give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.